Another one. We're gonna start discussing her very, very soon. Very soon. But as of today, you guys saw the last one that we did. The last Tahoe boat that we did turned out great, right? Well, guess what? We got another one. This is not in good condition as the last one. A lot of oxidation on this. But it's just ironic that yesterday we did a Tahoe and today we're doing another Tahoe. The one from yesterday was 21 feet. This is 23. But man, look at this oxidation on here. Ooh wee. None of that is coming off. Look at that. We got our job cut out for us today. I hope y'all enjoying this boat content. Some of y'all have expressed that you liked it, so that's why I'm doing more. Because I like all the toys. One day, we're going to have a boat coming to the channel too. One day. Boat is coming to the channel. I'm not going to say when, but a boat is definitely coming to the channel. Look at this, man. Yeah, we definitely got our work cut out for us. Ooh. Yeah. We definitely got our work cut out for us. Whew. Talk about heavy oxidation. All right, y'all saw it. You see it. Now let's get started. First matter at hand is to remove all of the old registration stickers. This side done. Now to get all of this glue off, this residue, and on to the next side. All right, so these just came off and I just got word that all this comes off too, so let's get back at it. All right, all this is done. Got to get the glue off, but back to the other side to take the other sticker, the last sticker off. Got some acid on my wrist. Even though I got the gloves, you guys got to be careful when you're doing work like this. Sheesh, that's the burn. It burn, baby, burn. There you go again, shooting that doggone acid. Shooting acid like it's a water gun. Yeah, I'm gonna just chill over here till he's done spraying that acid. He keep hitting me up with that dang acid, burning me the heck up. Crazy, man. No mask, no eye protection, forget that. I'll wait. Going. Now he's washing all the acid off, and I still smell it from here. I'd rather be out here with the bees than in there with the acid. So this is where we at before we polish. I know right now it doesn't look like a big difference to you guys, but it's a process. That's all I can say, it's a process. It's many steps, but watch the next step. Watch the next step. Yeah, y'all, I thought that we would have this finished by today, but I was sadly mistaken. I'll just show y'all a little taste right here. You'll see the rest in the morning. Luckily for you, it ain't. Next episode. We got to do this part. The other half is done. And we gotta polish this up in the morning, and she's out of here. And underneath the bottom too. Yeah, it still look a little shabby on this side, but we still got wax on this. So we're gonna polish it out tomorrow, and she's gonna be good as new. We're gonna address that part there too, that little discoloration. But anyway, see y'all in the morning. Once again, guys, EAFC to the rescue. Boy, I use them all the time. All the time. I'm gonna put their link down in the bio. I'm gonna put their link down in the description so you guys can get one of these, because I'm telling you, this is one of the best things you can have. One of the best things you can have. I'm late for work and I gotta make up for time on this because I don't have time to stop at the gas station in the car. So I figured I'd ride, turn a half an hour ride into a 15-minute ride. But look, I'm telling you, EAFC, boy, they've been saving me. They've been saving me. Y'all need to get you one of these. Get you one of these. Get you one. I had this thing in just in the box. I haven't used it in a while, in months. And you see it's still at 46%. I'm telling you, watch this. Hold on. Watch this. Boom. Just like that. EAFC. Get you one. Now I can get to work and get paid. And we're back at 9 a.m. the next day. Time to finish this bad boy. Oh, I can't show you yet. Can't show you. This is the side I gotta show you, because this is the side that we're working on today. That side is done. This side is what we're working on today. And we got a lot of light, so you'll be able to see it really, really well today. All right, y'all, let's get to it. Let's get right to it. All right, y'all ready for the reveal? Let's do it. She's finally done. 21, no, this is 23 foot Tahoe. All right, so you guys seen the before and the after. You guys hit me down in the comments, let me know how we did on this joint. And would you let us detail your boat, your RV, or your vehicle? Check this out though. Look what I brought to work today. I was pressed for time. Still got here in the same amount of time, maybe 2 minutes earlier, but it was fun. Anyway, That's it on this one, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Who loves you, baby?